So it's 4 a.m. We're on our way to the train station and hope we catch a train.
Every place has a story which can be told a million ways by a million different people. This is one of those stories. This is the story of Jaipur.
So we just arrived at Jaipur, just went to Albert Hall, and now we're heading to Ganta Temple. Ganta Temple? Galta Temple, sorry. So wish us luck.
After making the Galta G pilgrimage, not knowing what to expect, we went on to experience what Jaipur had to offer. Quickly got back to the hotel in order to catch the sunrise the next day with our friends Apurv and Kalpit.
Don't die on me, man. So we just made it to the top of the airport. As you can see, it's a long way down. All these stairs.
Did you know that this is the third biggest wall in the world? I know, crazy, right? Every place has a story made by the people we met, the friends we made, and the experiences we had together. Can't wait to go back.